Do you have an error preventing the Universal C Runtime Submodule 2 DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. Before we get started with Universal C Runtime Submodule 2, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Universal C Runtime Submodule 2, a versioned iteration of the Universal C Runtime UCRT Shim. It bridges low-level system calls for process initialization and memory allocation, malloc-free. Missing this file is a high-volume error for 64-bit applications compiled with specific Visual Studio toolsets. It prevents the program from bootstrapping the execution loop. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing Universal C Runtime Submodule 2 DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Universal C Runtime Submodule 2, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone Universal C Runtime Submodule 2 DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing Universal C Runtime Submodule 2. Thank you for trusting us with Universal C Runtime Submodule 2 repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.